So one of the first things you're going to need to do is figure out where you are going to write your HTML, CSS, JavaScript code. So in order to do that, we are going to go ahead and download an IDE or an integrated development environment that will allow you to write your programs and create your web pages. So if you already have one you love or that you've used for other classes, feel free to stick with your preferred IDE. I know a lot of people have talked to me about Notepad++. You are totally welcome to use that. Don't feel the need to download another one just because I suggested it under course resources. Komodo Editor is a really good starter IDE. It's very easy to navigate, and it has everything that you'll need in order to be successful. So one of the benefits of using an IDE is that they have a built-in debugger. They typically automatically will indent your code just for style. You can have multiple files open at one time, and Komodo Editor in particular has a really cool sort of embedded browser, so you can test your code right within Komodo, which is an added benefit too. So if you clicked on Komodo Editor through course resources, you'll open it in a new window, and you can decide if you want to do Komodo Edit, which is the more stripped down version, but is perfect for our class, or if you'd like the full IDE. I'm not going to tell you which one to choose. Komodo Edit, like I said, though, does have everything that you'll need to be successful. So you'll click on whichever one you want, and then you will find which file for your computer. So I have a Mac. I already downloaded the Mac file, and you'll download it, run it, and follow the step-by-step in order to set up your preferences within Komodo.